Okay, I've got my throw pillows, I've got my blankets, I've got the lanterns outside. What else am I missing for the makeover? I don't know who she thinks she is calling me on my day off. Just because she's my boss doesn't mean she's gonna boss me around. She's here. Hey, Ann. You called me on my day off to come over and look at your fall porch makeover. Oh, yeah. There's nothing on your porch, Sherri. Oh, you didn't get the email I sent about the revisions? What email? Yeah, the title revisions. Look down. And the title says, decorate and clean with me. Now, you come over to my house to see my porch already fully decorated and cleaned. My notes say fall porch makeover. Yeah, here you go. Are you serious? You don't pay me enough money for this kind of labor. Who's excited to clean and decorate for fall? Is she serious? Am I being punked? Is Ashton Kutcher going to jump out of the bushes any minute? Because she don't pay me enough for this. So we're going to start this decorate and clean with me on the front porch. I am just tidying everything up. We did pressure wash it not too long ago, but it just needed a good wipe down. Moving on to my back porch, which is really just a stoop, but we're going to call it a back porch. Once we swept away all the dirt and leaves, we got out the pressure washer, and can I tell you, this made such a difference in the overall look of the back porch and the walk area. Oh, if you don't have a pressure washer, you really need to get one, because I'm telling you, they are worth their weight in gold. And now we're going to add a little bit of fall foliage. Why didn't I just say greenery? I have this huge black planter on my front porch. I absolutely love it. Not sure what the previous owners planted inside of it, but it was dead. So my son dug everything out and then he put in the new shrub. I don't remember the name of it. I just know it looks almost like a Christmas tree, which that really attracted me to it. But that is what he is putting in the planter, and it looks so beautiful. This fall Porch Clean and Decorate With Me is a collaboration hosted by Michelle over at My Everyday Wife Life. I will leave a link to her channel and the playlist in the description box. For my mums, I picked all these up for $3 a piece, and then I went to my thrift store and found some beautiful baskets to put all the mums inside of. And now we're moving over to some DIYs and thrift flips. Now, if every DIY was this quick as I just did in editing this video, it would be so nice. I had these lanterns. I had them for years. I was tired of the galvanized look, so I just gave them a fresh coat of black spray paint. And then I created some beautiful DIY lanterns. If you're interested in the full video, I will leave it linked in the description box. The lanterns were just made from some glass vases along with some baskets, and they turned out so pretty. I knew I wanted a beautiful wreath on the front door and the back door, but I didn't want to go spend a lot of money on one. So I found some grapevine wreaths over at the thrift store. I believe one was $4, the other was $6. Then I used some hydrangeas I had growing in my front yard, along with some magnolia leaves. And these turned out so pretty. I think they look even better than what you would buy in the store. I found this little urn for $5. I sprayed it black because I wanted it to mimic the look of the planter I had on the front porch, since the smaller urn would be going on the back porch. For my magnolia garland, all I did was clip some branches off my magnolia tree and hook them together with wire. I know in the video it looks like it's a beautiful fall day, that I'm just decorating my front porch and my back porch, and there's a cool breeze blowing by. I have my little fall outfit on, but I'm gonna keep it real. I live in North Carolina and it's hot. It's hot right now. But I went ahead and decorated for fall because since it is North Carolina, it could be summer today and fall tomorrow. So I wanted my porch to be ready. This video was condensed down to 11-12 minutes, what took me a week to finally accomplish. So on Wednesday, I'm going to be sharing with you all the behind the scenes details. I'm going to take you to the thrift store. I'm going to share the DIYs and everything it took to put this video together. Now this table is not a table, it's actually a hamper. I'm using it as a table. I ordered a couple of tables and they didn't come in yet, so I found this at the thrift store for $3, and it can also double as storage. So I can put all my pillows and blankets in there because I'm not going to keep those things out at night because I don't want critters all in them. So using this along with another basket you're about to see will double as storage. So now here is the big reveal. I'm going to shut my mouth, put on some pretty music, and let you enjoy the scenery. On my channel, I encourage people to thrift. I think by thrifting for your home, you give your home a unique look. When the seasons roll around, a lot of times we rush over to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or Target, and then we buy the items everyone else has, and then what ends up happening is that our home looks like everyone else's. I know thrifting takes time to find the items you want, especially for the holiday season. That's why I always start really early. And I like to utilize the items I find at the thrift store and use them in my DIYs and thrift flips. The best part about this fall porch makeover is that it was completed on a small budget. I shopped my local thrift stores, I did some easy DIYs and thrift flips, along with using all the flowers and branches I had in my backyard. Oh, hey, Ann. Am I bothering you? Your wreath was crooked. May I go home now and enjoy the rest of my day off? My pearls are dripping with sweat. Absolutely. You did such a great job today. I don't get paid enough to deal with this woman. Bye, Ann. 1 minute she thinks she's Martha Stewart. The next she thinks she's Julia Louis-Dreyfus. She needs to be on medication. See you bright and early for work tomorrow. If this is the first time you're seeing one of my videos, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button. I do everything thrift on my channel. Everything from thrift vlogs, taking you thrifting, taking you to flea markets, showing you DIYs and thrift flips, along with decorating your home with thrift finds. This Wednesday, I have another fall vlog coming out. I'm going to be taking you behind the scenes of everything it took to prepare for this video and to get everything I needed for my fall makeover. I'm going to be taking you to the thrift store, showing you the DIYs, the thrift flips, and everything in between. If you're looking for more fall porch decorate with me videos, I will leave the playlist linked in the description box. Don't forget to visit Michelle over at My Everyday Wife Life. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you right back here on Wednesday.